Okay, welcome back in the third event of this virtual sports festival. The game is Ludo, and the final of this match will be played here. And I invite the leaders of the Sports and Recreation Committee to let us know what was the status of the entire event in last 2 days, how many participants were there, and who are now going to play the final of the Ludo in this virtual sports festival.
Yes, sir. Our third event is Ludo. Uh, Previously, we done that chess and snakes and ladders. Snakes and ladders. Hareshwari is the win, and in chess game, Asha is the win. So we beginning third. We beginning third event. In this game, there were 32 participants. We divide in 8 group in round one. Then second round, first round and second round we done 18th April. Then third round and fourth round we done 19 April. So we can see that in semi-final there were 4 groups are winner. First match, Jignesh and Anjali is the winner. Second, Kishan and Sejal. Third, Kinnari and Asha. Fourth, Ruti and Nishta. So we can see that in this sheet there are four opponents to play the game. Jignesh and Anjali, Kishan and Sejal. In this game, Jignesh and Kishan is the winner. Second match versus Kinnari, Asha, Ruchi and Nistha. In this game, we can see that in sheet Kinnari and Ruchi is the winner. So we can move further. Jignesh, Kishan, Kinnari and Ruchi is the playing the game today. So I have hand over to Rohit for as a commentator. So all players are ready for playing the game.
Yes, Hina.
Okay. All participate on your camera and play. Start the game.
Who are the players? They
We
can at least make their presence felt. If they will speak, their face will be visible in the recording. Who are they in the first team?
Hello?
Jignesh,
Hello?
Kishan, Kinnari and Ruchi.
Yes, sir.
Hello. I hope am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Kinnari, you are
Okay.
audible.
Okay. So very good afternoon to everyone. So let me share my screen, and I will give you the code for joining. Okay. Let me share my screen.
Players speak in between when you are
Yeah.
playing the game.
Okay.
Okay. Hello. My screen is
Yes,
visible.
Kinnari. Not yet.
You have
Okay.
started screen sharing, but only black screen is visible. Kinnari.
Yes.
Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Let me rejoin.
In case it fails from one side, then another participant can start sharing the screen.
I am not able to share the screen.
Okay, I request to Kishan if he can share the screen because my device is overheated right now only, and I am getting connected from my sister's phone. If he will be able to share the screen, then it will be fine for all of us. Kishan, will you be able to share the screen?
I am trying.
Okay. I am having two phones right now in my hand, but one is got overwhelmed right now only.
Kishan, are you sharing the screen?
Yes, I am connect in.
By the time Kishan shares the screen, we would like to talk about this Ludo. So the game, yes, Kishan has shared the screen. The game Ludo. From this game, the film was inspired, and we have witnessed, also watched the. We might have watched the film Ludo, wherein all the tricks of this Ludo is applied. So it is quite interesting to see or observe that from a game, a film is inspired. So let us see how this works.
Basically, Kavisha, the traditional version of this game was earlier played by Mughal emperors in ancient history, if you want to ponder. And then there was a traditional version which was not played on board, but it was played on cloths, and it was knitted with all these designs. So in Gujarat or any of Saurashtra region, if we want to remember that this traditional version of this game was called as Chopat, and Chopat was very much popular among.
Enter this squad and
Okay, yes,
connect to
Kishan.
one participant.
Hi, yes, Kishan has shared her his screen, and the code is 097 32952. I'm putting the code in the chat box also. 097 32952. Okay, and we are about to start this game. And
Ruchi is remaining. Wait for some minutes.
Game is started.
Perhaps because of internet issue, game is started already.
I think my screen is free.
Yeah. Instead, Kishan, if you if you inform me, then I will share the screen. I will manage other things. Shall I share? Because game
My
is
screen
already
is
started.
visible.
Now Jignesh is dicing. Now Kinnari and Kishan is.
yes, Ruchi, now you can share the screen.
Okay. But if I share in between, will I left the game or?
Oh, that is the question of uncertainty that may not happen, perhaps. You can try once.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can try once because the same happened with me. But this is only the beginning of the game, so you can do it again.
Okay, thank you. Just a minute. Because sharing in between, I don't know. I haven't shared in between any time. Okay. I have joined from my sister's device. Then I'm presenting my screen. Share screen. Start sharing. Start now. And jumping to. Okay.
Now visible. Okay.
Visible?
Yes,
Not
it is
lost.
visible. Yes, yes,
Okay,
Ruchi.
safe.
Okay. Hope everything goes smoothly.
These are all 4 colored boxes are called as the home, and all these and every participant get 4 pawns to play, and whenever the number 6 comes in dice, one can start the game. And as we can see that Ruchi has started from her 1 pawn, and okay, Jignesh has got 6, so that okay. Okay, Pinari has started.
The players, when you take your turn, if you will speak, then your face will be recorded. Otherwise, it won't be recorded. So occasionally, if not every time, but occasionally you can speak when you are playing with the dice.
Moreover to that, if you want to connect this with game from our learning, so we can say that this is a journey towards knowing one's own self. So currently in new literature, we are learning a lot many things about self-help literature and culture, that how we our own self help can help us. So so all the participants, 4 participants, are metaphorically to be seen as going towards our own journey, and we are trying to find our own self and our own places, so where we are getting fit, or where we are not getting fit by others, and these interceptions of other participants, and how far it is to be seen with this game, that is also interesting to see. So as we can see that all participants are moving forward in their games, and one has to start from one color to another one, and the entire round shape one has to complete. So that is the rule of the game. And okay, Jignesh is moving forward. Yes.
Today I have realized that speaking and playing both is really very difficult, because we have to plan something in our mind.
Yes, exactly. Thinking aloud. Loud thinking is necessary
Speak
for.
while moving is really difficult.
Another difficulty is facing there. If you have blue color in your phone, and as you see in the screen, you have a different color, then you have other level of confusion. This is the difficult one.
Some advantage of this board game is also given as a star and any of this color pattern if you are there, so that nobody can pull your leg and turn towards your home. So as Mehal has also shared that there is one facility of star between every board, so that participants can take maximum advantage of that zone, so that they are considered as in they are in a safe zone.
One another thing is also that people are considering this Ludo as somewhat granted game. It is not something very interesting, or the passing of time.
Yes.
Wait a minute. I have to
Basically,
think
these
now.
dice-based games were also introduced as time pass activity, because earlier in traditional time, people had no any other things to do. Then we are in this metropolitan time and our contemporary time. If we see that we are occupied, we have classified all of our 24 hours into lot many activities. But earlier it was not so, that people used to have very satisfaction with their own life, so they were not doing that much activity as compared to today's time. So basically the motive of this particular dice based games and this board game was to pass the time and generate fun from that. And then this folk literature and other people came and they connected these games to our own literary allusions, and that's why we are reading this as a self-help game also.
One interesting question I would like to ask to audience also and to my friends also, that if Ludo is everything based on dice, then why we are playing this so curiously? Because in the snake also everything is based on dice. In the Ludo is everything also based on the dice. Then what is the difference? Real difference is that here पासा तो किस्मत ही फेंकती है. Just a minute. पासा किस्मत ही फेंकती है, लेकिन फिर भी गोटियां कौन हलाता है? हमारे कर्म ही.
And apart from throwing dice and getting numbers from this board, interesting thing is to see who wins over whom, and who is playing over against whom, and who is losing and who is winning over whom. So that process is to be very much interesting to see during this game. So all this common element of dice is there, as you have seen, as you have said, Ruchi. But this process is very interesting because earlier in Snakes and Ladders also there were ups and downs, and this and in this particular Ludo game also has their own ups and downs, and these participants are increased in number from 2 to 4. And the more participants are there in the game, the more interesting the game remains.
Ruchi, I would like to answer your question that everything is dependent on dice, then why we are playing this. So we can connect this particular game with life also, that the dice will decide your number, that you have this much number, but the choice is yours, that which piece you want to move. And along with your move, you also have to take responsibility of that particular piece, that if you move your piece here, then there are a possibility that you will be killed, but still you have to take responsibility that if it will get killed, then that is also fine. So it depends on our choices, that which choice we made to move our piece, whichever piece we want to move.
Certainly, Asha.
And we can also connect this particular with existentialism, that it also says that if you make any particular kind of a choice, then also take responsibility, full responsibility of your choices. We know that life is full of meaningless, but still, the life totally is dependent on our choices which we made. So the same is happened here also in this particular game, Ludo.
Yes.
Each and every move we make, we have to take responsibility of that move, rather than blaming or cursing someone else.
Yes, and if we choose to putting someone down, then you will also have to take responsibility, but that there are a possibility that another one will take you down. Like yesterday we are discussing the chain of responsibility, that life is in the sense of an ending, that life is linked with full of chain, that you don't know which chain is, which link is before and after this particular move. So this also we can connect from there.
Here is the question: life would not turn out to.
I think Ruchi's mic turned off automatically, and she was speaking something. But just recently, what happened that one participant, Kinnari, pulled Kishan's pawn just to write from there, right from that home also. So in between, when these commentators were discussing these literary allusions, this Kishan was just about to complete his journey. And then all of a sudden, Kinnari pulled one of Kishan's pawn to his home. So that was quite interesting that if you are about to end any of your process and then suddenly something, a messy thing happens, and then how far you are able to make your temper very much balanced, that is to be seen in this game.
Yes, Rohit. One interesting thing is about that game is you have to start from the beginning, which is very interesting and as well as which is very difficult also. Like you are one step away from winning, and suddenly someone is there to put you down, put you back in your place, and you have to start each and everything once again. This is
Yes,
very interesting
from the
as
very
well as very
beginning, we have
difficult.
to again start. Yes.
You have to start again from very beginning, and there are chances that someone else will be there to put you down once again.
Okay, so Jignesh is about to complete one of the quest. Okay, Kinnari has completed one step, and her remaining three pawns are remaining to get home. Okay, so Jignesh and Kinnari are near, and Ruchi is also about to complete one pawn to her home. Okay, then Jignesh has to think. Okay, again Kinnari got back to pavilion. Okay, Kishan is advancing. All right. Then okay, Kishan has Jignesh has completed 1 point to home. Okay, Ruchi has received 5 points.
Yes, rightly said by Rita that this game requires patience.
Comparatively, looking at chess and Ludo, both take a complete quite equal time because no matter no matter the number of participants, but the patience level quite gets equal to chess and Ludo both. Okay, Jignesh has completed his second pawn also towards home. All right, Kishan has got 6 number, and now let's see. All right. Okay. Yes, Ruchi has got her pawn to safe zone. Okay, again.
Kishan again,
Kishan,
1 point
okay.
થી બચી ગયો
Yes.
to reach your home.
Okay, Kinnari has
As
to
the
start.
game was begin, me and Kishan were conversing that કિશન મને કહે છે યાર કેમ થશે બધા ફ્રેન્ડ્સ છે કેમ મારતા જીવ ચાલશે બધું તું નહીં માર ને તો તું હારી જઈશ તારે મારવું જ પડશે
Yes, that is
અને સૌથી પહેલા મારાથી જ ભરી એની so
Peter,
sorry for that.
bitter reality of
But this is game.
bitter reality of games that suddenly this game turns ourselves towards quite objective thinking rather than subjective thinking. So if we are thinking with subjective temperament, this playing of games also turns our minds to topsy-turvy situation and gets ourselves suddenly to objective thinking. Okay, now okay, participants can write comments also during games. Jignesh has written well. Kinnari has said, I have bad luck today, but keep on trying, Kinnari. And okay, Jignesh has taken over the place of Ruchi's pawn. Okay. Okay, again, Kishan has taken up the opportunity to get 6 points.
What can one do when dice is not in one's favor?
Yes, and we are reminded of Shakuni, character of Shakuni also here. That how far he was cleverly able to throw all of these dices. लेकिन हमारे ऐसे नसीब कहाँ कि हर पन्ना अपनी मर्जी से पड़े.
But it is also interesting to observe that if Shakuni would be playing online Ludo or online Snake and Ladder, then would he be able to pull out his desired number on the dice?
Not at all, Kavisha. He also might get confused by this online mode of dice-based games, you know. That how far I am able to play this game, that Shakuni might think that way.
I think Shakuni would have to learn the algorithms that how this game is designed itself. So in that manner, if he is that much talented, then he can learn and do whatever he desired with the dice.
Yes, certainly.
See, Shakuni was a very learned man, and he was very powerful in tricks. So we can say that in online
Kishan
game you
again.
must
I'm so sorry.
Yes, Kishan and Kinnari again, they are having a much virtual conflict over this board game. And Kishan again back to turn towards his home by Kinnari. Just recently we have seen that move. And again, Ruchi is getting much slower points. Okay, now let us see what Kinnari is up to. Okay, again, Ruchi has received 5 points, quite higher than the previous one.
Rohit, you said that Shokuni cannot play this game, but according to me, maybe it's possible that might be this Ludo game is more easy than the Chopat, and there are two dice. If we see in this Mahabharat game, so maybe he learn and play, or maybe he apply any kind of trick which he know.
Yes, very aptly said, Nehal. Jignesh is about to complete his journey, and it seems that Jignesh is quite ahead of the remaining three participants. And yes, again, Kishan has got back to pavilion. and he has to retry again and again. Okay, Ruchi
It
has
is like
the
a gala
opportunity.
ka verify.
Yes, yes. Throat cutting competition it is. Throat cutting
Yes,
competition.
when Kinnari and Kishan do.
Yes. Okay, Jignesh is about to complete this journey towards home, and then we have to see what the remaining participants are up to and how far they lead this board game.
Jignesh cannot win the game until and unless his dice favors him. Like
Yes,
he has to get desired numbers
yes,
to
yes.
complete first. So it may happen that he won't get desired numbers and other will get their
Yeah,
houses, get into
yeah.
their houses.
Other
So
participants can
that is
surpass
also a risky
Jignesh. Yeah,
thing.
yeah. Jignesh also confronting that maybe bad luck. Okay, now okay, Jignesh has secured her. He's the third. Okay, and Jignesh is standing at the first place of this board game Ludo. Congratulations to Jignesh. Now let us see uh, the remaining participants, Ruchi, Kinnari, and Kishan, what they are up to and how far they lead this game. Keep going.
Now this thing is really noteworthy to observe that they already got their winner. Now they also have to patiently play the game, knowing that the winner is someone. But
Yes,
still, we are in the game, so we have to play. That's quite interesting thing.
yes. Again, bad luck for Kishan, and he has to go back to pavilion by by
If
Ruchi.
I
And
personally say, right now I am showing sportsman spirit.
yes, of course.
Also, we cannot say that we will win the match because there is nothing more we can say that we will win.
There is a quite uncertain moment during this game, and we just have to wait for the end result until and unless we can't jump to this conclusion. Now Ruchi and Kishan, sorry, has to try again, and Kinnari is moving forward.
Friends, I would like to share one thing. If I am playing this game with my friends or not this way online or with my family members, we used to play table at our homes also in our lockdown. But if this thing happened to me at home at night when we were playing, I might have said I don't want to play at all this game. I'm not getting my dice at all.
Yes, and then when it comes to celebrating this sports festival, and especially it is in virtual mode, and then one has to go for the choices like online board based games. And even if we don't like personally or like we just have to participate, and then uh, get some of the experience that how far this useless kind of thing also we can consider as our activity, and we can include all those things in our virtual sports festival. So thanks to sports committee also that they have endeavored, and they have chose this kind of games to this board based games are quite interesting, and they have selected very aptly all the four games: Ludo, chess, snake and ladders, and carom also. Yes, again between Kinnari and Ruchi also. Okay, Jignesh is going forward. Okay, lucky again Ruchi. She has got 6 numbers. Yes, luck for Kinnari and marching towards the home.
it's not just a game. We can say that it's like a mind game. We have to play with very conscious mind so we can win this match. Otherwise, we cannot.
Yes, again, bad luck for Ruchi.
જિગ્નેશ કોન્શિયસ
He
માઇન્ડ
has
થી
just
જીતી ગયો. સ્ટાર્ટ થઈને ત્યારથી એક શબ્દ નહોતો બોલ્યો, પત્યું એટલે હવે
right. So it,
બહુ
I'm
શાંત
showing,
કર્યું.
I'm showing my initial in there. I was trying to pull down Jignesh on his one phone, and for that I lost this.
You don't blame me.
No, I am not blaming. I
We
am
are not
finding
blaming
my
you. We are
faults.
appreciate you.
We are really we are actually enjoying this because we are playing and someone people are watching Ludo in online. This itself is really very interesting for us. Sorry.
some breakdown in Ruchi's voice. So as we move forward, Kinnari has again got lucky number 6, and okay, again bad luck for Ruchi, and she has to try once again. But 2 of her pawns are already in game. Okay, quite lucky, and very often she is receiving 6 numbers. One from Kinnari and one from Ruchi has received one home from one pawn also. So 3 of their pawns are remaining in game. Okay, Kinnari is about to complete. Kishan is also there for his first ever pawn towards home. Okay, now Ruchi is on. Ruchi has her second pawn on track towards home. Now between Kinnari and Ruchi, we have to see that who comes first. And okay, Kinnari has received her second pawn towards home. Now 2 of her pawns are remaining in game. Okay, Kishan has received 6 points, and now surpassing Ruchi, he has received towards the safe zone. Okay, Ruchi has gone halfway down towards this board, and now okay, Kinnari's third pawn is also on the track towards home, and let's see what happens and how far the game moves. All right, Kinnari has received 5 points. And again, lucky number for Kishan. Okay, for Ruchi, okay, she's on the safe zone. Okay, now all right, Kinnari is marching towards okay. All right, Kinnari is about to complete, and Kishan is also okay. Ruchi has completed 2 of her pawns towards home. Now two other pawns are remaining for Ruchi. Now let us see what Kishan is up to. Okay, going ahead, Ruchi, and just few steps remaining for Kinnari also. Okay, 3. Okay, Kinnari has received her third pawn also towards home, and all right, lucky number for Ruchi.
Again, Kishan बची गया.
Yes. Okay, but now 6 number for Kinnari doesn't work because only she needs only 1 point to uh, complete her journey towards home. Okay. Okay, now we can see Kinnari has secured second rank in this board game. First is Jignesh and second one is Kinnari. Congratulations to both. Now the game becomes more interesting. Oh, Ruchi has received her way back to pavilion home again.
Rohit, I would like to say something. This
Okay,
is not
please go ahead.
interesting. This is terrible.
Terrible for
Yes, it
you,
is
but
terrible.
interesting for all of us. Ruchi.
Yes.
Of
કોઈ
course,
માટે મજા છે, બધા માટે મજા. Yes, go on.
when we are
Ruchi.
watching, this is quite different. When we are playing, quite
Yes,
different.
quite different.
Now the terrible chase, as you have said the word terrible, I would like to use the word for terrible chase of leg pulling. That who wins over whom, Kishan or Ruchi? That is to be seen here. And okay, Ruchi has received her third pawn towards home, and only one pawn is remaining for Ruchi. And okay, Kishan has moved forward. Okay, congratulations, Kishan, and okay, his third pawn also, and Kishan is about to complete that journey. But let's see how numbers can favor him. Then let us see Ruchi, how far Ruchi can reach. Okay, very fast, Ruchi. Okay, Kishan is only 1 point away. Okay. Ruchi has secured third rank in this Ludo game. So congratulations to all the four participants securing a rank of this Ludo game. And now Ruchi, okay, Jignesh is the first place and Kinnari second and Ruchi is the third one. And better luck next time, Kishan. And better having good numbers. And we hope that everybody has enjoyed the game. And now I would like to hand over the screen to Bharat sir. Thank you.
Okay, great. It was very interesting. Yeah. So Jignesh was the first to bring home all the this pawns. What do you call it in Ludo? Pawns, or what is it known as? Anybody? Any idea about what you call in Chop? People may
Yes,
call.
sir.
Yeah.
It is called as pawns. I searched on internet.
Acha, pawns. Okay, so he
Yes,
was
sir.
first Jignesh, then Kinnari, then Ruchi, and then Kishan was the last there. Okay, fine. It was great, and let me end this recording here, and we will start the last event within a minute.